Hey guys, it's Shanae from WTI. So it's pretty chilly out today, so I'm warming up with a nice hot beverage. And I am drinking the London Fog Tea Latte from President's Choice, which come in these pods, which you just put into your Keurig machine. Now, I just decided to try these out randomly. The name caught my eye and it sounded delicious. And after the first sip, I was hooked. Now, it has a really smooth and creamy taste that I was not expecting. And it also has a subtle bit of sweetness, but it's not too sugary. Now, normally I like to add some milk or some sugar to my tea, but I found that this didn't need anything. It was perfect just the way it was. So I would describe this as a little cup of comfort. All you need is a cozy blanket and your pajamas and you're good to go. So give this a try. I think you'll agree that the taste is so delightful, and that's my point of view.